back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review on the Babyliss for Men hair cutting kit, and we're just going to have a little go on the old beard. To give you complete transparency, this is the after. The before I looked like I'd fallen through a hedge, but I'll show you all that footage. I will say though, as I say, this is the after effect. It does not come with scissors and it does not come with the clippy jobbers. I always try and be fair in my videos, and this is the next day, and I was getting ready to recycle all of the cardboard bits that came from inside, and I found these. This was tucked into a bit of the cardboard, and something I forgot to mention, it was all in paper, so all the bags were paper rather than plastic, which I think is a really good thing because obviously it's recyclable. As I'm sure you'll notice, I've always got short hair and a beard, and the idea is to have something like this that I can do it all from home. I've got a set at home already, but they are very, very old, and so even though I oil the blades, they have started to get more pulley and less cutty. Anyway, let's get on.
Okay, so this is the Babyliss for Men Smooth Home Cutting Kit. And it comes with 21 accessories, mains power, smooth cut. I'm not sure how many of these accessories I'll use, but you know, it looks alright. Super sharp, lightweight control, sustained power, 5 position taper, 10 comb guide, precision trimming and storage. Let's get this open, shall we? Immediately I'm realising that that's what I mean by the storage. I didn't really have a clue. So it comes in its own little container thing, which is pretty cool. And one thing as I'm doing this voiceover that I realised at the end of the video last time was everything is sustainable. So all of this stuff is held together with paper or cardboard or whatever, you know. It's very well packaged. This little trimmer is either going to be good or rubbish. They're like AA battery, yeah, AA battery in this one, and sometimes they're very good and sometimes they're just a bit of a gimmick. Hopefully this is a good one, but we'll see. Right, I think it's about time we go and test these, shall we? Let's sort this beard out. Okay, the beard is quite a mess at the moment. I haven't done anything with it for a couple of weeks for this reason, so let's get it done. Beards are not the easiest thing to do yourself, but it's something I've done for a while now, so hopefully this kit will just make it easier. Right, this is the after, and sadly you can't really tell, but it's done such a better job than my usual ones. It's very, very smart compared to usual. It's done a really nice job, but I can't really show it on video. Literally everyone except the wife noticed, obviously, you know, why would she? But yeah, everyone noticed, so it definitely does do a decent job.
Right, after using this for my beard, I obviously haven't done my hair yet, it's way too short, but I'm happy with it. It works very nicely, it's very sharp. I've had some very, very cheap ones in the past that aren't sharp and they sort of pull the hair. So, you know, that was much better for this. But there are a few problems. For example, where the button is on this, you're trying to use it, and then you have to sort of move your hand to get to it, and you basically have to use another hand to turn it on and off. But you can't get into the right position. Actually, off is okay, but to try and turn it on, it's a lot harder. So that is pretty much the only negative. You know, it's a trimmer. This, however, is quite nice as well. Second one I've owned of these, but the other ones I had was just like straightforward ones rather than the actual beard trimmer kind of styly. And I used this and it cut really nicely, very, very straight lines. And for something that's just powered by a AA battery, it's actually quite efficient. Obviously, I haven't had a chance to try all these out. I like the fact that there's like ear ones and various other things. Not that I'll ever use them. I think that's possibly, you know, out of my ballpark. I just go over it with a chainsaw. But yeah, the fact that there's so many of them is quite nice. Normally you get about 4. But yeah, as far as I can tell from the little amount I've used it, is very nice. The sharpness of this one was noticeable, so I think that is a plus for it. And the fact that it comes with a box is always quite nice, because now I've got somewhere to store it all, and I oil them after I use them, and it ends up going all into my drawer where I put all my like beard lotions and stuff as well. At least it'll all stay in here now rather than, you know, throughout the drawer. So yeah, not too bad. Quite happy with it, to be honest. Right, so yeah, works perfectly. It was quite nice and sharp. I had noticed that this was sharper than they have been in the past with the very, very cheap ones, which is a nice thing. But yeah, I would actually advise this. I would recommend this, sorry. It's perfectly good and it's cheap enough. The actual trimmer bit, the little one, whatever the hell they're called, I can never remember, did a really nice straight line, so I'm quite impressed with that, because the one I've got is not so good, and you know, this one seems to make a much straighter line. So yeah, I'd recommend this. If you're interested and in the market, go for it. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.